What's going on YouTube? Today we're taking a look at an anti-reflective blue light cut screen protector from Whitestone Dome, and this is going to be a great addition for anybody that struggles with that blue light and wants to get rid of it from your phone, wants to eliminate it. This is a great option for you. You still get the anti-reflective coating, so it's not going to be super reflective. It's basically going to be like as your phone is now. Easy to apply, easy wiping, ultra clear display, premium touch sensitivity, shatterproof. You guys know the deal. So let's go ahead and check out the blue light cut. I also do have a bunch of other screen protector installations down in my video description, so go ahead and check those out if you're interested in any other screen protectors. But right now it's about the Whitestone Dome glass anti-reflective blue light cut installation. And what I like about these ones it's a very simple installation process. It doesn't involve a lot. It's probably going to only take you about a minute to do. So let's just go ahead and take a look at what we get on the inside here. And we should have some dust removal accessories and whatnot. So yep, we do get a dust removal process. So it's going to be really easy to install. Just by placing this over your screen, you're going to get that perfect installation each and every time. But the main thing that we want is we want to ensure that we have zero dust on our phone. So let's start with that. That's going to be step one. Next, go ahead and get a microfiber cleaning cloth and ensure that there's no dust on your phone before we start this process. If you see any dust particles, go ahead and get a dust removal sticker, just like so. Now, once you've ensured there's no dust on your device, the next steps are really simple. And again, it couldn't be any simpler than this. Quite honestly, these are really simple installations. Let's go ahead and remove the back piece, just like that. Again, make sure there's no dust on your device. And of course, I see a little particle right there. Next, go ahead and cover your entire phone with this little process here. And press down. Press and slide. Let's go ahead and just kind of do this. Pretty simple. Next, remove the sticker, just like so. And take out your phone from the jig. What did I tell you? Perfect installation each and every time. Very, very simple, guys. Now, once you take your phone out, you might see a couple little air bubbles there. Don't worry, those are going to go away in about a day. And actually, I'm going to redo this video once those air bubbles go away. But let's just go ahead and turn on my phone. Taking a look at the blue light cut screen protector from Whitestone Dome, you can see the installation process is really simple and it's really clear, and it's doing a good job of not catching all of those lights around me, so that anti-reflective coating is actually doing a really good job. And once again, this is going to be good for any of you out there that want to get that anti-reflective coating and also want to cut down on that blue light filter. This is going to be a good screen protector for you guys. I am really happy with the blue light cut Whitestone Dome glass screen protector. Installation was a breeze. Fingerprint scanner works each and every time. Let me just show you that one more time, guys. Fingerprint scanner is a pleasure to use. And I do like that anti-reflective coating. You can see it's doing a very decent job of keeping most of that glare from these lights away. Overall, using this for the past 24 hours, I am excited about this screen protector, and I did notice a difference at night. I noticed that my eyes didn't get as fatigued when I'm using my phone for an extended period of time. Now that's just me. You might be a little bit different, but I am super excited about this glass screen protector. So if you're looking for a screen protector that's easy to install, that's going to cut a little bit more of that blue light filter than what your phone can do in its settings, and that's super, super clear, definitely check out this one from Whitestone Dome. Thanks for watching, guys. I appreciate it. Thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll catch you in another video.